Joe, what is this thing that you've got out here that you're showing us?
So this is an example of one of our engineering program for our IED. It's our final project, and basically what it is called an automata. And the basic premise of it is we have a crank over here that turns, and within this box there are parts that push things called followers up and down on top of the box. And they make, things move on top. So for example, a car might move across something, or like a bug might crawl around. But for me, what I did was I built a little jazz band on top of here. There's a trombone, a bass, and a drum set. And if you look closely, each of these instruments moves in their own way. So the trombone slide moves back and forth, the bass kind of bounces. And then bass drum kicker right here.
Yeah, there it is.
So now this was all part of a really big process. What we actually did was we first drew out our designs. We have a packet here with all of my parts in it, but we drew out our designs for each of the parts inside of it. So for example, this is one of the what they're called cams. They're the parts that move and spin around the axle. The one right here is actually right in here inside of the robot. I mean the oh, there it is, sorry. And basically then we transferred that into CAD design, which is computer modeling. So if I can find it right here, it's the same drawn out picture side of the 3D modeled. Eventually we put all the parts we made together into a full design here, and then built it in real life. So yeah. And there's also 3 switches I added to mine. The middle one here turns on the lights. The first one turns on the motor, so you don't have to crank it yourself. And then the third one's actually a Bluetooth speaker, so I can turn it on, you can kind of hear it connect. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
Very good. And who was the teacher of this course that you built this for?
Miss Cogswell.
Miss Cogswell.
Yeah.
Well, she should be complimented too.
Yes.
Joe, thanks for sharing this very much. And you're part of the STEM program, right?
Yes, yeah. First year of the full program.
And how do you like it so far?
It's great. I loved it. I mean, the cool thing about this project too was that we got to use all the stuff we learned from the year so far. So all of our skills in computer modeling, problem solving, the drawing, designing it, the whole process was kind of involved into this project. So it was kind of neat getting to put it all together. But in the course, we learned all the skills to make something like this and design something like this.
Well, thanks very much, Joe.
Thank you.